Hey everyone, Seth coming to you from the KENWOOD Training Department. Today we've got the new KENWOOD DDX376BT 6.2-inch multimedia receiver. We'll take a look at what's inside of the box, then take a look at the back side of the receiver and go through some of its feature highlights. Let's take a look. Taking a look inside of the box, first you'll see the wiring power harness. Then you'll have the e-brake connection wire. Next will be the Bluetooth microphone. Then you'll have the receiver itself. Next will be the included mounting screws. And then you'll have some paperwork like the quick start guide and the KENWOOD warranty card, as the KENWOOD DDX376BT does include a 1-year warranty. Now let's take a look at the back side of the receiver. First you'll see the input for the optional SiriusXM tuner. Next to that will be the input for the optional iDataLink Maestro RR. Then you'll have the wiring power harness input. Next will be the Bluetooth microphone input. Then you'll have the AV input for the optional KENWOOD CA-C3 AV. Next will be the video output. Then you'll have the rear camera input. Next to that will be your 3 sets of RCA pre-outs. Rears at the top, fronts in the middle, and subwoofer at the bottom. Next to that will be your AM/FM antenna connection input. And then you'll have 3 wires coming out the back. The parking switch wire, the reverse input wire, and the USB input. Now, let's power the receiver on and take a look at the front. First, you'll see the CD/DVD disc insert slot. Next to that will be the IR sensor for an optional KENWOOD KNA-RC-DV331 remote control. You can also use your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth to control the receiver. Simply download the KENWOOD remote app and connect your phone via Bluetooth to the receiver. Next to that will be the reset button. Below that will be the home button. When on another screen, simply press the home button to return to the home screen. Pressing and holding this button will power the receiver completely off. While off, simply press and release to power the receiver back to on. Below that will be the menu button. The menu button is where you access commonly used functions such as the eject, screen adjustment, display off, camera setup, or back to the current source. Pressing and holding this button will turn the display completely off. While off, simply tap to turn the display back to on. Below that will be the telephone button. Press this button to access your connected Bluetooth phone call information screen. Press and hold this button to activate the connected phone's Bluetooth voice command. Below that is the volume knob. Pressing and holding the volume knob will attenuate the receiver's volume. And below that is the cam button. This allows for quick and easy access to an optionally connected rear view camera. Press the home button to return back to the home screen. So again, just a sampling of some of the cool new features and functions that this receiver has to offer. Be sure to add in KENWOOD speakers and amplifiers to get the best in sound quality. Thanks everyone for tuning in to the unboxing and feature highlights of the KENWOOD DDX376BT. We'll look forward to seeing you again next time.
KENWOOD.